Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and show you how to put a couple photos into one of our funeral program templates. It's so easy, you're going to be amazed. And we're going to drop into our modern funeral programs to use this demo. Here we're going to choose abstract circles, one of my favorites. And as you can see, this has a more modern design solution to it. We really like it. We think you will too. Nice large photo on the main and then a couple images on the inside. Let's go ahead and customize this program. Alright, now that the page is loaded, just adjust this a little bit so we can see everything. Okay, again here we have all of our standard text editable fields throughout the program, and also we have a variety of places where we can add photos. And remember, as with all of our funeral programs, there is an outside and an inside. So here we have a couple other photos as well that you'll need to edit. So let's head back to the first page, and this here being the front cover and this being the back cover here, we're going to go ahead and select a photo for our front cover. And again, with all our funeral program templates in the online funeral program builder, you can choose images from Facebook or My Computer. Alright, we have a couple images here to choose from. And I think what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to use this one of our friend with the dog laying in the grass. Looks great. Let's click Upload Image, and it'll bring us up into our crop image editor. And as you can see, the aspect ratio for all of the images are determined based on the frame or the image place that it's going to occupy. So here you can see that our crop tool only allows us to keep this rectangular image because that is, of course, the space that's going to be occupied. In some of the other examples, you'll see a couple different sizes, but for now, I like the way that looks here in my preview. And I'm going to go ahead and click Add Image, and there we go. Just that simple. Let's go ahead and drop an image in here for the back. I think we're going to go ahead and put the one with the friend, mother, and daughter, because this is going to be on the back of our program where it has kind of the acknowledgments and the thank yous, those kinds of things. We're going to go ahead and add the image, and there you go. So you dropped right in nice there. And again, here we have special acknowledgments. The family would like to thank you for all your thoughts and prayers. And again, as with all of our funeral program templates, be sure you don't forget to add images to the inside, and we wouldn't want your program coming through with blank spaces. Alright, our friend really loved the great outdoors, so we're going to drop this image here as well. And on this one, I'm going to go ahead and crop it in just a little bit. There's a whole lot of grass there. I want to get rid of some of that and tighten it up a little bit more on her and the dog. Looks great. Perfect. And you'll notice this awesome design detail that other funeral program templates don't seem to be able to provide. But we can have these overlays and different elements that just make it just that much more personalized and custom. So again, it's one of the great reasons we love our funeral program builder above the rest. And the last image we're going to drop in is this cute image of a friend with the lamb. And I'm going to go ahead and crop that image as well. Adjust this a little bit here, make it a little bit tighter on her and the lamb. She was into 4-H and other things, so this is great. Alright, perfect. There we go. Front of our funeral program is ready, and the inside our funeral program is ready. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Let's say, for example, you didn't quite like the way you had cropped or placed an image in. At any time, you can come back in and recrop an image or upload a new image right into position. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select this one here, and I'm going to recrop it. So I'm just going to drop right back in there. And actually, I do like the fact that there is a lot of grass and a lot of beautiful scenery here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get as much out of this image as I possibly can. And I'm going to add that back in. It's a subtle change, but I like the way that feels. Alright, so now that I'm completely satisfied with the interior and the front and back cover, I'm going to go ahead and click Approve and Check Out, and that's going to be that. Again, it's that easy. Funeral Program Builder Online is making it easy for you to make and create your own funeral programs online.